Howdy and welcome back. So graphs. How we're going to define graphs is going to be an object consisting of two sets called its vertex set and its edge set. The vertex set is going to be a finite non-empty set. The edge set may be empty, but otherwise its elements will be two element subsets of the vertex set. So if we had something like a graph, say A, B, our vertex set would be A, B. Our edge set be the set of A, B as such. It's going to be customary to represent graphs through drawings, kind of as we did here. Vertices are going to be represented by a heavy dot, or in the case of everything I'm doing here is going to be kind of a circle with the label of a particular vertex denoted with inside of it. And then relationships between those different vertices would be made clear through this idea of connecting the vertices in a particular relationship through this idea of a straight line or edge. So a graph is an object consisting of two sets called its vertex set and its edge set. We went through how the vertex set has to be non-empty because otherwise we don't have a graph. There's nothing to connect. However, with that said, the edge set may be empty if there's no relationship between the vertices presenting within our graph. If we go ahead and look here, you can see I've kind of drawn this out. We have a nice graph consisting of 6 nodes, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. We have an edge between x1 and x2, x2 and x5, x1 and x3, x3 and x4, and we can see that x6 is not doesn't have a relationship with any of the other vertices within our graph representation here. So if it's if this isn't coming off as intuitive at this point, the vertex set is shown here in this purplish blue color. We can see that x1 is going to be a vertex, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. So in this case, our vertex set would be as follows: x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. Okay, now let's go ahead and just look at the edges again, just to ensure this is clear. So in this case, our edge set is going to be, well, there's a line between x1 and x2. We can see a line between x2 and x5. Another one, so we got that one, that one. We see one between x1 and x3. So got that one, and then x3 and x4. And that would comprise our edge set of this particular graph representation. So with that in mind, let's, with this basic idea of a graph in mind, let's go ahead and look at the basic types of graphs that we might encounter, and also explore a couple of properties that might prove to be productive as we move forward.